Are you looking for the most innovative and efficient downdraft tables on the market? Look no further than Belfab for the best modular patented dust collecting systems for indoor and outdoor installations. We've served the woodworking industry for over 30 years and have evolved and improved based upon your suggestions. Our easy-to-clean downdraft tables are available in 3 sizes. The blower features more suction with its revolutionary design accessing the whole top area. Our tabletop features anti-slip and non-scuffing mats to secure parts in place. It is ergonomic and accessible from any side, counterbalanced, and offers easy access to filters and inner chamber. The filters act as dust trays to capture 100% of collected dust particles and can be emptied, cleaned, and replaced in less than 1 minute. It also can integrate a variety of panel filter types and thicknesses to optimize filtration and durability. For more information on our leading-edge downdraft tables, visit belfab.net or call 888-797-2342 today.